Hello everyone, my name is Ku and I'm doing my master's degree at Florida International University. This is my third semester here and I'm now taking the networking class and the forensic class. This video is for the forensic class and this video will demonstrate networking modeling with zenmap and a little bit Wireshark. So I hope you enjoy the show. Zenmap is the GUI version of the popular networking tool Nmap. Nmap comes in most security distribution of Linux like Kali Linux, which is the latest version of Bachelor Linux. Of course, you can download them for free. The good news about Zenmap is that it is also free and available for Windows. And you can definitely install it by going to the website nmap.org. You can go to the download here and you'll find the latest version here and you can also find many other versions on different platforms like Windows, Linux, or Mac machine and other operating system. So, but you can try it. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll just show the Windows version. It is a really good way to get introduced to Nmap. And pretty much just like this. The good news is that you don't even have to learn the commands all the way. But as you progress, if you really want to get good at Linux and all things about the network, you'll come across Nmap again. But at least for now, you can just know that the command is just Nmap. All you have to do now is just type in the IP address of the target. I know that there is another computer on my network called 192 the 168 the 1.78. So I'm just gonna do the regular scan and that should show me this computer. That will give me the open ports and MAC address. As you get in, you'll know that the open ports are pretty important. They can determine certain type of applications. For example, 880 is HTTP protocol, and if you turn that off, you will not be able to get in the website online. Other ports like port 20 is, for example, just for file transfer. And what I'm going to do now is just type the /24 here. 24 is my subnet. I know it's my subnet because I had to run the command, which is IP config. From here you can see this is my IP address and here's the subnet mask 225.225.225.0. I know that the last 8 bits are zeros, so if you subtract 8 from 32 you'll get 24. That's your subnet. So I'm just gonna do the quick scan. What this will do is that it will scan the entire subnet and it will give you every single host on your subnet. That will give you a pretty good idea what your network looks like. Okay, here's the result, and you can see here, this is my own computer, and these are the ports, and this is another computer on the network, and its ports and MAC address, and also it gives me the wireless router. And if you go to the topology here, and controls, and it will give you a pretty cool graphic view of your network. For example, this is the router, and the green one is my computer, and this is another computer on the network. My network is just a couple of devices, but if you actually have a bigger network, this will give you a very good method to see what your network looks like. Okay, let's try the intense scan again. Okay, here's the results of the intense scan, and it's very interesting for you to find how much information you can get from this open source free scanner. Here you can find many open ports here, and very much information, and the router. So I'm just doing at home, and you can try it at home, or just from our network, which gives you the permission. If you do that without permission, it can be considered as illegal. So just play with it at home. Okay, next I'll show you a little bit of Wireshark. Wireshark is a network analyzer which will give you the data packet by packet, what you are doing online, or download from website. It's very interesting to see the data packet by packet. So it's just a very easy tool to use. You can just go to the capture and interface, um, and select the interface, because I'm using the wireless network, so I choose this one and click start. Yeah, it of course will give you back some data, you know. And for example, let's go to the google.com, and let's try cnn.com. Yeah, so it of course will return back some information of what you are browsing the internet. And if you are good at programming, it's very easy for you to just make a program to analyze all this data. For example, you can you can find some, such like username, password. This is very important information, and but if you use Wireshark, it's very easy for you to find them out. So also a security issue, but you can just play with it. It's very interesting. So when you can click stop to stop capturing, and this data you can find everything you need, but just play with it. Okay, this is my video, and thank you very much for watching.